My name is Martin Whiting. I'm a lecturer in animal behaviour in the Department of Biological Sciences here at Macquarie Uni. My research group is informally called the Lizard Lab, and we use lizards to answer a range of fundamental questions in animal behaviour. For example, at the moment we've focused on sociality and understanding why lizards adopt different social strategies. So what makes them live either by themselves and be solitary, or in some unique circumstances, what makes them live in a family. Australia is unique in that they have a large clade or group of lizards called the Behaviour group, in which family living is quite common. So we can use this model system to understand some of the simple triggers that might induce a species to go from being solitary to actually living with family members. So there has to be benefits to living in a family, and one of our goals is understanding the drivers of family living in lizards. We're also interested in cognition, and cognition consists of understanding learning. For example, how smart are lizards? Can they discriminate quantities or count? Are they capable of social learning and learning to track individuals in their group, for example? Are they even capable of something like cultural transmission? Those are the sort of questions we're interested in terms of cognition. We're also interested in the evolution of brain size and whether ecological or social factors are driving the evolution of brain size. Finally, we do quite a bit of work on communication, particularly color signals. We're interested in understanding what constrains color signals, so what physiological mechanisms can constrain signals, and what those signals actually mean. And we're particularly interested in ultraviolet signals, which humans can't see. We have some amazing facilities here. We have the Fauna Park, which consists of animal rooms and a series of outdoor enclosures where we can do some really interesting behavioral experiments on lizards. If you're interested in coming to Macquarie and learning more about the work that we do on animal behavior, please get in touch.